Hi, my name's Kat, and I am the Children's Librarian at the Tewksbury Public Library in Tewksbury, Massachusetts. Welcome to Quarantine Crafts, where we teach you how to make some awesome craft projects with things you probably have hanging around at home. Today we're going to teach you how to make 3 different types of Play-Doh. The first type of dough we're going to make today is a traditional flour salt dough. You need 1 cup of flour, a 1/2 cup of salt, and a 1/2 cup of water. We're just going to stir this together until it forms a nice dough. If it's a little wet, you can add more flour. If it's a little dry, you can add more water, but usually this combination works out pretty well. Once all your ingredients are mixed together, you have a lovely Play-Doh. If you like, you can add food coloring in at the end to make a bunch of different colors, or you can put it in the water at the beginning and mix it all as one color. The next 2 doughs we're going to make are very similar. This is very simple. You only need equal parts cornstarch and hair conditioner. Continue adding cornstarch until you get a nice, smooth dough. Every conditioner is different, and everyone will use a different amount of cornstarch. This one here used almost twice as much cornstarch as conditioner, but it makes a beautiful, fluffy dough. Our last dough also starts with cornstarch. You'll want to use equal parts of both cornstarch and shaving cream. Once you have everything mixed together, you might find that you need to add either more shaving cream or more cornstarch. Every brand is different, so keep trying until you get a mixture just like this that holds together. This is so light and fluffy, they call it cloud dough. When you're done playing, you can put any of these Play-Dohs into a zip-top bag and seal it up to play another day. If they get dried out, just put a little water in, squish it up, it'll be good as new. If you're using your salt dough and make something you want to keep, you can put it on a baking sheet in the oven at 200 degrees for 30 minutes to an hour, and it will harden up and you can keep it forever. Thank you again so much for joining us. We hope you had fun. Keep safe, wash your hands, and we'll see you next week.